So, you know, this is a field where you get to help people with your knowledge, you know what I mean? Just with what you know, you just help people out. So it sounded like a good concept, and as time went on, it was one of those things where, you know, when most kids, they talk about baseball or football with their dad, I talk about medicine with my dad. So it's another way that we kind of bond. So and I like it a lot. So I actually do two things. I specialized in internal medicine and pediatrics. So I did 2 residencies at the same time. I was one of those guys that I kind of liked a little bit of everything in medical school, so it was really difficult for me to decide what I wanted to pursue. But this field gave me the opportunity to see, you know, both kids and adults, which I like seeing. You know, even though I haven't practiced medicine for a long time, I'm just out of residency, so I'm relatively, you know, up to date with most of the, you know, more modern things in medicine. So I could bring that to the table. The first day of medical school, they told us, you know, medicine is going to be going through a lot of changes right now. So if you're not ready for that, this isn't the place for you to be. So and medicine is not going to be the way it was, like, you know, maybe 20, 30 years ago. So we anticipated that. There are more technologies available. You know, more physicians are going more electronic. So most of my training at this point has also been, you know, using electronic medical records. So a lot of the changes I've already kind of experienced, and I'm not against change. You know, as long as it's good for the patient, I'm fine with it. So Holy Cross was one of the few places that offered me the opportunity to do both internal medicine and pediatrics. So at this point, I do exactly 50% adults and 50% kids. So I'm kind of, you know, living the dream. So so it's always what I wanted to do. A lot of people say I was just meant to be a doctor. So it's my personality, getting family influences. So it's yeah, I'm happy.